Listen to your body. The famous actor Jim Carrey has faced several bouts of mental illness. In an interview, he states that his therapist once told him that when one is depressed, the body is in need of deep rest. Meaning, mental illness can be seen as a defense mechanism of our bodies to help us come back to a state of balance. The body is saying, no more of this chaos. I'm going to slow you down and force you to listen to what's going on inside. How then do we listen to what our body is trying to tell us? Let's do the following and see what our body has to say. Come to a comfortable seated or lying down position. Turn off the lights if possible, and close your eyes. Once you've reached this comfortable position, let's breathe in 5 times using the box breathing method. Ready? Take a deep inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. That was 1 round. We'll do 4 more. Take a deep inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Deep inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. And hold. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and do that at your own pace. Deep inhale. And exhale slowly. Deep inhale. And exhale. Go ahead and do that as long as you would like. You may pause this recording and continue to breathe deeply, diaphragmatically, using the box breathing method. Now, locate a part of your body that is feeling discomfort and continue to breathe. It can be your head, your chest, stomach, part of your back, or any other part of the body. There really is no right answer here. This part of your body has been begging for your attention like a crying child. Acknowledge this part of the body and simply observe. Simply give it the attention that it is seeking. You might find that simply by acknowledging the physical discomfort, as a certain process of tranquility begins to descend upon the physical body. Go deeper into this part of the body and locate an emotion attached to the physical discomfort you've located. It can be sadness, anger, hatred, ecstasy. Keep breathing. For example, I feel pain in between my shoulder blades, and I know that the emotion that's associated with this is a feeling of fear, a feeling of failure, a fear of failure, that is. And I'm simply going to acknowledge that that is something that I'm feeling. Now let's create a layer of distance by using a mindfulness tool called part speech. We say, for example, I am feeling discomfort in my back, for example. And we change this to my body is feeling discomfort, to a part of my body is feeling discomfort, and even creating a further layer of distance by saying, this body is feeling temporary discomfort. This helps in separating our symptoms from our core identity. Let us ask ourselves now, why is this body feeling this? Be patient, as it can take time. Sometimes I've sat with this question for an hour or more and not receive an answer. That's okay too. The nature of mental illness is intense emotions, so sometimes there is no reason for feeling imbalanced. However, by holding space for the imbalance, you become more self-aware of the instability and learn what it is that may be triggering you. Let it pass through you in its own time. Like the crying child, at some point, it feels the comfort, it stops crying, and goes on with whatever else that babies do. Once you've answered the first question of why is this body feeling this, ask why again. For example, if your answer to why is my body feeling this, and you say, well, I'm feeling angry because, well, ask yourself then, why does this make you angry? So if I ask myself, why am I feeling fear? Because I'm afraid of failing. Well, why does that bother you? Because it's scary to fail, and I don't want to disappoint myself and others who are relying on me. Keep asking the question why, but remember to keep breathing deeply, diaphragmatically, mindfully. Ask why a total of 5 times and stop there to prevent overthinking. Even if you don't get to the bottom of it, you will feel better for having given attention to that part of your body, to that emotion that has been beckoning for your attention. In the fortunate case that you do get to the root of the discomfort, you may feel a great calm or release of emotion. Go ahead and open your eyes, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and arrive back to where you began this mindfulness practice. See how you are feeling, how you might be feeling differently than you were feeling before. Consider writing down the insights that you got. Consider sharing with someone in your family, amongst your friends, in our community. And consider doing this on a regular basis. Listen to your body. When we listen to the body, our awareness spreads from the mind throughout the rest of the body.